Hi everyone, this is trademark attorney Josh Gerben. I have some news for you. The holding company for all of Donald Trump's business-related trademarks, DTTM Operations LLC, has filed a new trademark application for TELERALLY. The application was just filed on July 14th and indicates there's an intent to use the phrase in association with organizing events in the field of politics and political campaigning. Now, the timing of this filing is very interesting because just 3 days later, Donald Trump and the campaign used the phrase TELERALLY for the first time, holding the campaign's first TELERALLY on July 17th. Now, there are 2 points that I think are really interesting to look at here. The first is that the entity that owns the trademark, DTTM Operations, is the same entity that owns all of Donald Trump's business-related trademarks. So think of all the Trump marks for the hotels and the apartment complexes and even the golf courses. There's another entity, which is Donald J. Trump for President, Inc., which owns the campaign-related trademarks for Make America Great Again and Keep America Great. So typically, the entity that owns the trademark is the one that should be using or licensing it. And I find it odd that this trademark was not filed in the campaign-related entity, rather in the personal business entity. Finally, the fact that this application was filed at all is quite odd. If a trademark is ultimately granted, it would allow the Trump campaign to be the only campaign to use the phrase TELERALLY. So is the intent here to keep the Biden campaign from using the phrase TELERALLY? Even if that was the intent, legally speaking, this is such a weak trademark, it's either going to be considered generic or descriptive, that I don't think that's a possibility. But one would have to wonder then why file the application to begin with. So there you have it, Donald Trump's holding company for his business-related trademarks, DTTM Operations, filing a trademark application for TELERALLY. This is trademark attorney Josh Gerben. I hope you found this interesting, and I'll talk to you next time.